Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a recap of my trade that I took earlier this morning. I was trading London Kill Zone and I will show you the trade I took. There are no news today, so I risk only half the percent. As you can see my screen now, I've got Euro USD chart open. You see, we actually reached this quite important extreme levels. Okay, the euro is very bearish, as you can see from the weekly chart. We have already reached the weekly fair value gap, and most of the people think that now it's time to reverse. Now we have to open long positions because we have been dropping for quite some time now. But I'll tell you something, we don't have to reverse actually. If the market is going down, just trade with the market and don't try to guess when we will have a reversal. So that's what happened today. As I did my morning analysis for the community, I will show you, but you won't understand anything because the community is in Lithuania and everything we do here is in Lithuanian language, but I will explain. I told them that we will have a small pullbacks and then I want to trade the continuation to the downside. I said if we see any indications, if we're gonna start building bullish momentum and start creating new bullish PD arrays, then we can start looking for long positions and target, let's say, this buy side liquidity and also the optimal trade entry, which is at 0.62 of the whole range that has happened. And one more thing is the market sentiment. Of course, you don't just trade the market sentiment, but it's a additional confirmation, it's additional confluence for my trading. If I see that only 18% of the people are going short, it's most likely that the market will go to the downside because the rest 82% are not going to win because they are the fish in the market. They are the liquidity. So the majority of people started opening long positions and they got liquidated this morning. I will show you my entry setup and why I entered this trade. So let's go back to the charts and let's go to the smaller time frame. And as you can see, as I showed previously, that we're gonna hit the CB and then we will go down again. So that's what happened. We hit CB midpoint and we had a continuation. I didn't open my position straight away here on the CBCE because I need another confirmation that we are gonna respect this level and go down. Okay, so what I wanted to see is just mitigate the CB, okay? And now we have this rejection. And that was enough for me. I didn't even wait for the market shift. As I saw the first fair value gap that we created on the 5-minute chart, that was my entry point. So yeah, that's where I set my sell limit. My stop loss was above these highs, which was 10.8 pips, and my risk to reward was 1 to 3. And as you can see, we came back to the 5-minute fair value gap, and then we had huge momentum to the downside. As I said, we had a lot of buyers stepping in, stop losses resting here, people stop losses resting here. Okay, there are no indications that we will start a reversal. So why guess and start buying if you don't have anything, no confluence at all? I mean, if we would leave any fair value gap here, at least on the 15-minute, we had a break, we had a, let's say we had a small liquidity sweep because this candle was lower than this one. A small liquidity sweep, we had the market shift, yeah, break of market structure. And if we would have huge momentum, which would leave, let's say, fair value gap, I wouldn't even open a position then. I would need to see if the fair value gap is gonna respect the price and do another break of market structure. Only then I can decide whether to enter the position or not. And this would be a great liquidity pool because this is equal highs. I trade ICT concepts and not like the maestro himself. He has a little bit different strategies, but yeah, I use the fair value gaps, the order blocks, the liquidity pools and all this kind of stuff. But the key point here, I think, it's the if you can get your daily bias correct. And if you get your daily bias correct, you don't need as many confluence. You just get a few strong confluence, strong key levels from which you want to enter the position, and that's it. It's not complicated. Just make it as simple as possible. This is like 3R, and I'm done for the day. I'm not even gonna wait for the New York kill zone. And I'm very happy because today is Monday. Usually I don't trade Mondays, and especially the London kill zone, because there's a lot of manipulation. But I just couldn't miss this opportunity because it looked very good. My bias was short. I saw the respect of the CBTE. I saw a fair value gap. I took a trade. I took a winner, and that's it. So hopefully everything is clear for you what I've just said. And yeah, I'll do more of these on upcoming videos. I will document all my trading. You will see all my trades. I will also show the losers, of course, because I'm not here to pretend that I win all the time. But the main point is, whether you win or lose, just make the winners bigger than your losses. Never give back all your money to the market, and yeah, the risk management is key. So good luck for y'all. Have a nice week and see you soon.